Hi everyone, I'm Roberta from Creative Union Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super festive wine bottle label. That is great, you can personalize that and take it to your holiday parties. But before we get started, if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button, we would really appreciate your support. First, we want to be sure that we have all of our supplies. You will need the Avery 22827 template, a bottle of wine, and of course, one of our printable designs. Next, you can select your design from creativeuniondesign.com or from our Etsy shop. We have so many festive designs to choose from. After you have purchased the design that works for you, you can open your file in Adobe Reader and easily edit the labels with your information. Editing and printing instructions are included on the PDF for easy referencing. Next, you will want to print your Avery 22827 labels and be sure that you're printing at 100% and not fit to page. Now it is time to easily adhere the label to the bottle. You can either soak the bottle to loosen the label, or you can just adhere the new label over top of the existing label. I prefer to cover the back label so that the person receiving the wine will still be able to see what type of wine it is. These make a great gift for anyone hosting a holiday party, or they can add a special touch to your wine Christmas gift. Thank you for watching our video on how to create your own Christmas wine label. I'm going to leave links of all the products that I used in the comments section below. If you have any questions, you can find us at creativeuniondesign.com, and please follow us on Instagram at creativeuniondesign, and please hashtag what you've made with We Are Creative. We would love to see what you made by watching this video.